Nesamkelo lekesi.
Angazi.
Bafunani labantu?
Wenzeni wena?
Angazi ngenzeni. Angazi lutho.
Untshontshanga imali.
No, not even a cent.
Ngaphakathi enkantolo ephakeme eBloemfontein uMehluleli uthe Lelicala libonakala lisengadonsa esinye futhi isikhathi eside singaphezulu konyaka liqulwa.
Main criminal trial in this matter will probably take a long time to finish. It will not be a month or two. I'm informed by Mr. Denison appearing for the state that the trial will at least last and continue for a period of 12 months.
Ukhalile omunye wabameli babasolwa wathi Lelicala lidla imali kanye nesikhathi uma lokhu lihlehla.
I don't honestly want to overemphasize the issue of financial implications on behalf of case number 2, but this matter on its own is very costly.
Umehluleli ubesehlehlisa icala wabalula nezizathu zokuhlehla kwalo.
This pre-trial hearing is to be postponed to the 20th of January 2023. The reason being that some of the accused want to petition the Supreme Court of Appeal for leave to appeal against the judgment of Naidu J in an earlier application launched by them.
Ngaphandle kwenkantolo, uMagashule uthi umbuso lokhu uqhubekile nje nokuhlehlisa Lelicala ngamabomu ukuze kugcine kufe iqembu elibusayo wasethumela umyalezo kumalungu eAfrican National Congress.
They keep on postponing the case quite deliberately because the intention is to kill the ANC. And I'm saying to the members of the ANC throughout the country, don't allow the ANC to be killed and be part of the DA, which is an ideological enemy. That's the thing.
uMagashule uthi aqhoqiwe njengamanje amandla ombuso izinto ziyaqhubeka nokuba zimbi kakhulu wabalula inkinga yogesi kanye nemali eningi esetshenziswele ukuthenga udizili eEskom nathi izinto ebeyingenzeki. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngisegoli.